So I'm going to do something a little bit fun here, and that's that you should have all the tools that you need to be able to delete videos. Like you would have the skills to be able to add that, right? Like if you think through the steps, you're going to have to add a URL for deletion. You're going to have to add a class-based view, and you're going to have to add a template to show that. But the thing is, you've already done this for a haul, right? Like you know how to delete a haul. You should be able to do the same thing for a video. So I'd like to issue you the challenge of doing this on your own. If you're up to it, go ahead and implement that functionality all by yourself. Just go ahead, hit pause on the video and do that. I'll come show you how to do it as well, but I think this might be a good chance for you to actually say, okay, am I understanding this stuff? Like, do I get class-based views? So go ahead, hit pause, do that now. All right, so hopefully that went well for you. If you'd like to implement this, this is how I would have done it. Maybe you did it a little bit differently than me, but it's going to be very similar to deleting a Hall of Fame. So I'm going to copy the URL that we had for deleting a Hall of Fame. I'm going to replace Hall of Fame with video. I'm going to keep everything the same. Instead of delete Hall, I'm going to have this delete video. And again, have this one be called delete video. That's simple for the URL. Let's move over to the views.py. Again, this code's going to be pretty similar, so I'm going to copy the code for delete Hall. I'm going to come up and it sort of seems that we have a lot of our video functions over here, so I'm going to have delete video now. All right, the model on this is going to be a video. We should have that imported. Yes, we do. Okay, the template on this, we're going to have this one be a delete underscore video, and then the success URL, like, you know, where do you want to go if this is, you know, successfully deletes? I think the dashboard is probably a good place to go. So that all looks good there. Really, the last step is adding the delete template. So let's go ahead and just copy our delete Hall. I'm going to do a copy, and then we're going to right click and paste this. So it's calling it delete Hall 0. Let's go ahead and rename this. I'm going to have this be called delete video. Excellent. Okay, so inside of our delete video, I'm going to say, are you sure that you want to delete this video? Okay, that all looks good there. We got the CSRV token. We've got the ASP. That seems good. Delete button. All that looks fine. But you'll notice, like down below here, we've displayed the Hall title before. And in this case, we actually want to display the video. So for the time being, just delete this. Let's just make sure the functionality looks okay. So I'm going to go ahead and save those two changes that we made. And let's do a /video/ and I'm not sure of the ID on one of them. Let's do like an ID 4/delete. Let's see if that's one of our videos. And look at that. Yeah, this probably is one of them. So you'll notice initially, like right in our face, the big issue is we don't know which video it is that we're about to delete, right? So it's saying, you know, is this the one? Is that it? I'm not really sure. So we should probably just display the video down below so they can see exactly which one it is that they're about to delete. So let's go back to our add video.html. Down here with this JavaScript, when we create sort of this awesome little row here with the cards and whatnot, let's copy all of this, okay, and bring it back to our delete video. And here we're going to try and turn it from this JavaScripty HTML to just straight up HTML. So I'm going to delete this to then be our opening div row. Awesome. We've got our ending one down here. Great. So I sort of know where it is that we're working through here. So we can get rid of this line because that's just purely JavaScript here. We just got to delete here to there. That looks good. This iframe, this is a big one here. So we don't want to do with this plus stuff. We're going to get rid of all of that and bring this stuff just all the way to the edge here. So we've got to make sure that we do put something inside of there. In fact, let's just do that right now. So we're going to do our curly brackets and say inside of here, we want our video dot YouTube ID. Great. But then all of this looks good, right? All the same stuff for the iframe. Let's get rid of the ending single quote and curly bracket, or excuse me, semicolon. Got another div here. Okay, let's go ahead and again, get rid of all of this. So instead of having this, we want to have an actual title inside of here. So this will do like video.title. That looks good. Get rid of our ending portion there. And then finally, we don't need to have the like add button and whatnot, but we do need to have the ending divs there. So we'll go ahead and just delete the A tag because there shouldn't be any button there. We already have the delete button up above. And now all of this should go into place. So just to see what this looks like, I'm going to go ahead and just get all these divs out down here. We'll get rid of that extra little tag of JavaScript. Let's do our Atom Beautify. Okay, so this is starting to come together a lot better. You can see where everything's sort of connected here. Let's get this all one tight, close unit. And with this, let's go ahead and test it out. I'm going to save this, reload the page here, and look at that. So now, I almost deleted Kanye West's Sunday service. What was I thinking? Well, let's see something like, what's 5 here? Oh, I can't delete that one either. What's our very first video? Do go down. I can't get rid of you. I got to delete one of these videos to show that it works. But okay, I had 2 versions of it do go down. So I'm going to delete version 2 here. Look, I'm going to hit the delete button. And now that I've done that, again, if I go back to my admin here, getting really good at logging in and out as my super user. If we go to our videos, look at that. We have 1, 3, 4, and 5, but 2 is gone. So that means our delete is working properly. I hope you enjoyed doing that little bit of a challenge there. Again, hopefully you're getting like a grasp on how these class-based views work, and you're feeling comfortable within this project. We're coming down to this home stretch here. It's really just a lot of making sure that things visually look okay from here on out, but we've made awesome strides.